everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find pirate chests easily. Pirate chests are used to complete the Deadman quest, and all of them can be found in Pirate Cove. And there are 4 pirate chests in total. And to find it, just watch closely to the locations that I'm visiting in this video. Like this, for the first locations, and then next just go to the right island like this, and then just follow my steps and like this over here. And then the third locations is over here, this one. And then for the last you can find it on like this over here, this one. And once you collect all the pirate chests, the quest will be complete like this. And okay, that's it. It's simple and fast. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.